where I can get more footage inside a building. You got a few cases full of information. It's like a couple pictures. This guy right here, he was an inventor, manufacturer, distributor, and businessman. His name is Norman Williams. Let's see. Got all this cool stuff right here. There's an old truck. Hollywood lights. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. It's a Ford. Let's see. Got another Ford. Old school style. It's a 1938 edition. See? 1938. Black Star Premium Large Beer. Oh, there's some shiny rims for you people. Look at her. Look at that. She's a beauty. She's a 1942 Diamond T Model 201. Here's a 1948 edition. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Here's where I hauled most of their stuff. Most of the time. Got a few things. Ah, here's a beauty. 1960 and 1916. It's a Moreland truck. See? 1916 edition. She's a beauty, guys. Very beauty. Yeah. We got the old school rims. Old school engine. Ooh. There she is. 1947 Maxwell. Nice. See? Fruit hauler. So you got the original compartments. What? I'm right here. I know. I'm getting down there. I'm looking at all these vehicles. I'm getting footage. Come on. There's a 1919 Samson. Let's see, we got a 1919 Samson. 1917 Rio. Oh, it's very nice. Let's see, we got a farm vehicle. Oh, there's an old one. Alright, more footage later on today.